Echanga cha Albertine ni kimwe ha bicweka by'omutaano munsi yona habwa biodiversity erimu, baitu echanga nicho kimwe kirimu kweyongera kw'emirimo etari emwe n'emwe nk'okuhinga, okwosya amakara n'okutimba amajuta byona ebirikureetaho okutiina okw'empinduka y'obwire n'omuryani gw'abantu n'enyamiishwa.
As we carry out our mandate of conservation, the number of animals are also increasing. But also the communities are zeroing in into the park, meaning that their interaction increases. You will find that what I would call the multiple use zone around the park, the buffer zone of Maction Falls, is already habited by the community, whereby in these buffer zones, animals, wildlife used to feed beyond the park. Because you should remember that wildlife, animals, buffaloes, zebras, giraffes, and the elephants, they don't know your boundary. They know the tradition that they used to feed in all this. They call it a feeding range for them. And because communities have come into these formerly feeding ranges of the wildlife, the interaction starts there of humans and wildlife. And in so doing, there is conflict.
Okurinda eby'obuhangwa ebi, aba Total Energies EP Uganda abahirwa omurimo gw'okutimba amajuta ga Tilenga project omu district ya Buliisa na Nwoya bayoreka emiringo ei batiireho kurinda eby'obuhangwa hagati y'okutimba amajuta n'okutereeza habe baamazire okukora.
No ku job 2 twaliwo mu myaka egy'emabega okuva mu 2012 paka from 2012 to 2014. Kati bwe twamaliza okukola bye twali tukola mweje emyaka bye twali tukola twali tugezaako okulaba, twali tutegere nti Uganda ina amafuta. Kati bwebeera n'amafuta olina mafuta genkanawa mangi malungi type ki wetaaga ki okugajjayo mu ground. Kati bwe twabimaliriza ebyo byonna ne tuba nga tulina okukola ki okuddawo okukavaringa eno area tugezeko ennyo okulaba nti efaanana nga bwe twagisanga.
Owa Corporate Affairs nagira ngu emitero kurenga emitwaro 14 y'obuzaranwa ebyirwe omu itaka ly'orweteerane ririkusya hectares 261 omu bicweka bya Binene z'omu district ya Masindi okwenda kugarraho obusya bibiri byabiire byatemirwe omu ruhanda rw'empundu orwa Budongo Bugoma.
Emiti tetukoma kugigaba kyokka mu communities, naye tulina abantu betwalonda betukolagana nabo bali mu groups baziyita community land associations. Associations zino tuzisomeseza okuba nti zisobola okulabirira egyo emiti ne gituyambako okulaba nti emiti gino tegifa, kubanga amataala asinga basimba emiti mugenda okuddayo nga temujjukira nawe mwagiteeka. Omu nteekateeka ya biodiversity babangwire n'ekitongole kya Uganda Wildlife Authority okurinda ebintu ebirikutuura omu irindiro ry'enyamiishwa erya Murchison Falls National Park eririho obuhango bwa square kilomita 398.
Nkusiima kitongole kya Total Energies abo obuyambi bubahaire mu kukozesa okukendeeza ebizibu bibaine bisumbwa ebisolo byaitu hano mu Murchison Falls Protected Area. Batuyambire kuyamu ewaya eziteekebwamu abahigi, batuyambire kusomesa abaikaze mu kyaro omugaso gw'epaaka n'obulungi bwa paaka n'ebibi y'okuhiga ebisolo. Batuyambire kukola ekihandiiko ekikuja kuba nikituyamba mu kumaraho enganaana zikuleeta ebisolo kulya ebyokulya by'abantu omu byaro, nk'enjojo ziganzira ebyokulya by'abantu, embogo ziganzira ebyokulya by'abantu. Ekitabo kibakwetaga mu Lujungungu Human Wildlife Intervention Plan.
Babasize okurundana emitego y'ebyoma ebirikwita enyamiishwa erikurenga omu mitwaro 10 n'okukwata abahigi 100.
Total Energies also kituyamba mu budongo, kiba kya budongo mu kukwata ababeeni basara embaawo omu mihanda etaikire, babeeni bokya mu makara mu mihanda etaikire. Hati budongo National Forest Authority ba staff abo kumanya bwire buno buko nendo kwata pocho kugenda nkawa makara, buko kwata musazi wa makara omumuki wa makara musazi wemba okumusanga akara.
Total Energies is doing some great job, but still they need to do more. They need to do more. And this support they're going to give war, they're going to give government, is welcome, because it is not only benefiting Uganda Wildlife Authority, it's not only benefiting whatever, but it is a mutual benefit for the communities around the park, as I've told you, that once these communities, once you put electric fence in place, the mutual benefit is here. UWA animals will be safe. So tourism will thrive. The animal population will increase in those areas. But also on the side of the local communities, they will benefit at household level, because that's the most important socioeconomic development, at household level.
Total Energies EP Uganda bashagikira okukora kw'emihanda etwire neeteganisa abarambuzi omunda y'irindiro ry'enyamiishwa.
Within about 5 years from now, we should have supported OA to rehabilitate a lot of these tracks, and then also look at new tracks that we should have developed within between now and the 5 years. But tourism development and support will run for the life of the project, because provided we are inside the park, we really want to ensure that we are supporting OA and other tourism partners.
Before we used to have problems, hard time tourists, and this road used not to be passable. It was in a bad state.
Habireho no kushagika Uganda Wildlife Authority okutaho urwo rw'amashanyarazi mu nsharo ya district ya Buliisa n'irindiro ry'enyamiishwa.
In Masindi side, there is also electric fence ongoing. That will also cover up to Kiriandongo. We have electric fence construction in Kiriandongo. We have electric fence construction in Masindi. And in Buliisa it's also ongoing.
David Ochada nagira ngo eby'obuhangwa ebindi nk'eminyongororwa, ebisangarana, emishwa n'ebindi nabyo birinzirwe. David Ochada wa biodiversity ona nagira ngo n'amatara go barukwejonesa tigarukuteganisa nyamiishwa.
All our equipment plus vehicles, you'll be seeing them with specific colors. We call them ochre gray colors.
Ogu nagira ngo emisheke erukuza kuruganuya okuraba hamugera gwa Nairo kuza kwegitira omwirundaniro ry'amajuta erya Buliisa okuza kabaro mu ruhoima nibaza kugira by'okuzumu aha ntango y'omugera. Uganda eri omuhururu y'okureebangwa amajuta gashohora omwaka gw'2026 hatabireho kushiisha eby'obuhangwa. Gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.